Hello, WordPress enthusiasts! Are you stuck on the login page of your WordPress website that keeps refreshing or redirecting endlessly? Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll walk you through all the possible solutions to fix this frustrating issue step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional login page, ready to take you where you need to go. So, stay tuned. Before diving into the fixes, let's quickly understand why this happens. The issue typically occurs due to 1. Browser cache or cookies causing conflicts. 2. Corrupted htaccess file. 3. Incorrect WordPress URL settings. 4. Plugin or theme conflicts. 5. Incorrect file permissions on the server. 6. Security plugins blocking access. Now that you know the causes, let's explore the solutions, step by step. First, let's tackle the simplest solution, clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated cache data or conflicting cookies can prevent the login process from completing. On Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. On Firefox, navigate to Preferences, then Privacy, and click Clear Data. Once cleared, try logging in again. If the issue persists, let's move to the next step. The next step is to check your htaccess file. A corrupted htaccess file can often cause login page issues. Here's how you can fix it. 1. Log into your hosting account or use an FTP client like FileZilla. 2. Navigate to the root folder of your website, usually called public_HTML. 3. Locate the htaccess file and rename it to something like htaccess_old. 4. Now, try logging in. If this resolves the issue, regenerate a new htaccess file by going to WordPress admin, then Settings, then Permalinks, and clicking Save Changes without making any changes. Sometimes, incorrect WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL, settings can cause this issue. 1. Log into your hosting cPanel and open phpMyAdmin. 2. Locate your database and click on the WP_options table. 3. Check the values for Citadel and Home. They should match your domain name. If not, update them to the correct URL. Save your changes and try logging in again. Plugin conflicts are a common culprit. Here's how to temporarily deactivate all plugins to check for conflicts. 1. Access your website files using FTP or cPanel. 2. Navigate to WP Contents/Plugins. 3. Rename the Plugins folder to Plugins 1. 4. This will deactivate all plugins. Now, check if you can log in. If yes, rename the folder back to Plugins, and reactivate plugins one by one from the admin panel to find the culprit. If the issue isn't caused by plugins, your theme might be the problem. 1. Access WP content/themes via FTP. 2. Rename your current theme folder, e.g., 2020-01. 3. WordPress will automatically switch to a default theme like 2020-01. Try logging in again. If this works, you may need to debug your theme files. File permission issues can also block access. Ensure the correct permissions are set. Folders should have a permission level of 755. Files should be 644. You can modify permissions using your cPanel or FTP client. Some security plugins, like WordFence or Securi, might block access to the login page. Disable these temporarily through the plugins folder or their settings to see if they are the issue. If none of these work, your wplogin.php file might be corrupted. 1. Download a fresh copy of WordPress from WordPress.org. 2. Extract the wplogin.php file from the downloaded archive. 3. Replace the existing wplogin.php file in your website root directory. If all else fails, it's time to contact your hosting provider. They can help identify server-side issues or conflicts causing the login problem. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions resolved your login issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. See you in the next video.